guys, Swirlseal here, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you what my favorite place in Animal Jam is out of all of these places. So, I'm going to tell you what my favorite dryland and wetland is. Meaning that, like, in the ocean. So, my favorite dry place is this Serapia Forest. I really like the music and how it's like the forest. I just like that. And it's a really good place to role play. So this is gotta be my favorite. It's a really super good place to role play as a wolf or a bunny. And I just love it. What? Oh, no, I didn't mean to go on that. Okay, and no. My favorite place down here, I'd have to say Bahari Bay. I really like that. I like the music. It's just so fitting to this place. And they have like a little shop or something. Yeah, and you can buy underwater clothing that you can only have. So, puffer fish outfit is only 9 and 10 days left. Look at the fruit hat. Now, you can't even see my eyes. This pearl necklace is kind of big. Narwhal, what? Okay, that is just weird. Okay. Ugh. So, there's a mermaid necklace. I used to have that before I got hacked. Seaweed boa. Get pink version. Fossil tooth necklace. Okay, this is like really weird. Doesn't that look like a swimsuit? It's just weird. Okay, so that's in Bahari Bay, and I'm gonna go back to Serapia Forest because I love it. Is this Alden? It better be Alden. Yes, it's Alden. Okay. Alden's my favorite server because there's a lot of people, jammers. Okay, there's like 2 of the same people right there. That one's a girl. Ugh, whatever. I'm gonna try and buy a new animal because, yeah. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna get like another animal. Yeah, I don't have 10 diamonds, and I really want an Arctic fox. That I don't have. I want a spring bunny. That's just a normal bunny. I want to buy a horse. No, I'm not going to buy a horse. What about a koala? Koalas are so cute. Shark. No, I'm kidding. I'm not buying a shark. How about we buy... let's get a koala. And I'm gonna name it... well, we have to have koala over here. Ugh, it's so far. Hey, let's just do a random spin. How about we do darling? No, darling. Darling Berry. Darling Berry Ivy. Yeah, that's good. Oops. Okay, I just got a little koala right now. Okay, how about we decorate it? How about we do that pink? No, that's just weird. How about we do purple? Blue, that's cute. We'll do a pattern. Same blue. That's like a different blue. Wait, what blue did I? Okay, I had that blue. Yeah, I had that blue. Now we need to change the eyes. I don't like those eyes, even though they're really cute. Oh, those are cute. Yeah, let's go with those. Okay. Actually, let's dress you up. Yeah, we're using that. Yeah. Not really into that. How about you have high heels on? It's tutu. Okay, this is ugly. I don't like it. Oh well. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodaloo.
Back from the dead.